In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a hotel on Booking.com. We'll walk through the official flow on Booking.com and its partner portal so you can confidently start your listing. First, open your web browser and go to the Booking.com homepage. Make sure you're on the official site and that the language and currency settings suit your audience. This keeps the setup screens familiar and avoids confusion later. On the homepage, look for the option that says List your property, typically located at the top of the page. Click it. This takes you to the partner sign-up area where new and existing hosts manage their listings. On the partner page, choose Create New Listing. This option starts a fresh setup for a property that hasn't been on the platform before. If the page asks any preliminary questions, simply follow the prompts to stay in the new listing flow. Next, you'll see another clear call to action to list your property. Click that to begin the guided onboarding. Having a few details handy will make this go smoothly, such as your property's address, the number and types of rooms, key amenities, and general policies for check-in, cancellations, and house rules. When the portal asks what kind of place you're listing, select Hotel. This category is best when you operate multiple rooms under one property with hotel-style services. Choosing the correct category helps your listing appear in the right search results and unlocks the tools designed for your property type. After selecting the category, click Continue. From here, the system will lead you through the remaining steps to complete your profile. You'll enter basic details, add photos, set prices and availability, and confirm important information about payments and taxes. A few tips to keep the process smooth. Use the exact street address to ensure the map pin is accurate. Upload bright, clear photos that show rooms and common areas and describe standout amenities in straightforward language. Keep your policies consistent with how you operate and review the calendar closely so your availability and restrictions are correct from day one. Throughout the flow, you'll see save options. Use them so you can pause and return without losing progress. That's it. By following these clicks, Booking.com, list your property, create new listing, list your property again, choose hotel, then continue, you'll be on the right track to publishing your hotel on Booking.com. Once submitted, keep an eye on your inbox for any verification steps and final activation updates, and review your listing preview to ensure everything looks the way you expect. When you're ready, your calendar and partner dashboard will help you accept bookings and monitor performance.